Hola amigos, soy Giovanni. Actualmente estoy en Inglaterra, pero voy a ir a Madrid pronto también. Así que voy a hacer más videos este mes. Pero ahora, I recently got asked this really good question, so I thought I'd do a quick video for you guys just explaining the difference. So someone asked me recently why sometimes in Spanish, when we want to say and in Spanish, we use a letter Y. So we say E. So why the letter Y sometimes changes to the letter E in Spanish. Or why sometimes in Spanish, instead of using the letter O, when we want to say or, why does that change to the letter U instead? So you've probably noticed that a little bit now if you've been studying Spanish for a while. So I thought I'd do a quick video for you just explaining when to use the difference and why it occurs as well. Primero. Okay, the letter Y, when we're saying and in Spanish, will change to E sometimes when the following letter starts with the letter I. So again, we use that when the following letter starts with the letter I. Por ejemplo, if I wanted to say Ivan and Esther live in England, okay, I'd say in Spanish, Ivan y Esther viven en Inglaterra. So Ivan y Esther viven en Inglaterra. But if we reverse that, okay, we would need to change the Y to an E instead. So you'd say, Esther y Ivan viven en Inglaterra. Otra vez, Esther y Ivan viven en Inglaterra. Cool, so can you see the difference? So when the following word starts with the letter I, okay, the Y does have to change to an E instead. Segundo, when we're saying the word or in Spanish, or we're using the letter O for that, okay, we will have to change that to a U when the following letter also starts with an O. Okay, por ejemplo, if I asked you, do you want a tea or another thing? Okay, in that case, I would say, ¿Quieres té u otra cosa? So, ¿Quieres té u otra cosa? Because again, the following letter, okay, starts with an O, so we would have to change that to an U, to a U, instead of an O. So does that make sense? Otro ejemplo, ¿Quieres 7 u 8 plátanos? So again, the following word starts with the letter O, so we do have to change that around to a U instead. Cool, so that is all from me for today. So just a quick one, just explaining why you will see those differences, especially if you've been studying Spanish for at least a few months now. Okay, why you will see those slight differences when you see those grammar changes in Spanish and why they occur. As always guys, if you've got any other questions, feel free to pop a comment in the comment section below. But apart from that, I will see you in the next one. Hasta pronto.